Here's the latest on xtalks.com. A shortage of potentially life-saving EpiPens has been affecting Canadians with serious allergies since the beginning of 2018. Will Health Canada be able to work with Mylan and the FDA to address the EpiPen shortage and secure a more reliable supply of the autoinjectors? Hello, I'm Sarah Hand, Editor-in-Chief and Webinar Moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of xTalks Vitals. Our featured life science webinar for this episode is an NGS approach for research on the genetic determinants of female and male infertility. Click the link in the description box below to register for this free webinar. Pfizer manufactures the EpiPen for Mylan and has cited manufacturing delays and problems with the supply of a component of the product from a third party as reasons behind this shortage. While the EpiPen shortage has not affected patients in the US, British pharmacies may face similar problems as their Canadian counterparts in keeping sufficient stock of the epinephrine injection. The shortage affects both the EpiPen 0.3 milligrams and the EpiPen Junior 0.15 milligrams, the latter of which is used to treat anaphylaxis in pediatric patients. As no comparable products are available in the country, Health Canada is recommending patients keep more than one autoinjector on hand, each with a different expiry date, to avoid being without the life-saving medicine. The regulator is even endorsing the use of an expired autoinjector in the case of an emergency, with the advice that individuals call 911 immediately to get medical attention regardless of whether or not the autoinjector used was past its use-by date. Last year, researchers out of the University of California published a paper suggesting that the active ingredient in the EpiPen, epinephrine, may retain its potency for up to 4 years after the printed expiry date. While this could prevent patients from having to replace their EpiPen each year, there's no guarantee that an expired product would work as expected when it's needed most. Subscribe to the xTalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com by clicking the links in the description box for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode, an NGS approach for research on the genetic determinants of female and male infertility.